Are we truly on the brink of an economic depression? President-elect Donald Trump warns that the U.S. may soon face a crisis far worse than a recession. With millions at risk of homelessness and hunger, the signs appear alarming. Is this a shocking reality backed by emerging economic data, or is it merely a political ploy? Furthermore, could it be a distraction from the growing momentum surrounding Section 3 of the 14th Amendment? Stay tuned as we explore the stakes involved. Hello, everyone. Trump's warning about an impending economic depression in 2025 is not just sensational rhetoric. It's a serious forecast based on current economic trends. He argues that this depression will impact millions, leading to increased homelessness and widespread food insecurity. Experts are aligned with Trump's concerns. Many believe that without concrete actions, we risk slipping into a deep recession that could overwhelm American families. Factors such as inflation, rising interest rates, and decreased consumer spending paint a troubling picture of our economic future. The fallout from Trump's predictions doesn't stop with the economy. There's a deeper political narrative at play. Trump cites the recent removal of Speaker Kevin McCarthy as indicative of a broader leadership failure among Republicans, stemming from decisions made under the Biden administration. This political strife could hinder effective economic responses. This invites the question, are Trump's statements exaggerated to distract from discussions around the potential implications of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment and its impact on American politics? As political polarization grows, bipartisan efforts to address economic issues have diminished, complicating recovery efforts and strengthening concerns about the administration's capacity to navigate upcoming financial challenges. Next, we must consider the potential motives within the Democratic Party. Trump asserts that some Democrats might view a possible depression as advantageous in undermining the Republican Party. This raises crucial questions. Are political strategies prioritizing party interests over the well-being of citizens grappling with rising costs of living? As partisanship deepens, economic solutions often take a back seat to political maneuvering, leaving the public questioning the true motivations behind policy decisions. How long will people tolerate this political tug-of-war while their livelihoods hang in the balance? We want to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions in the comments below. The numbers behind Trump's claims are indeed alarming. Reports indicate a staggering 11% delinquency rate on commercial-backed mortgages, signaling a crisis that could surpass previous downturns. Such statistics reveal significant stress across sectors, particularly in manufacturing and employment. As companies brace themselves for potential contractions, the implications for American workers could be severe, leading to more layoffs and economic displacement. Additionally, the current inflation rate continues to eat away at purchasing power. Rising costs for essentials, including food and housing, are making it difficult for families to maintain their standard of living. For many Americans, the potential for economic depression means facing tough choices. With increased cost of living and shrinking wages, households may find themselves turning to food banks and community resources just to get by. The risk of economic displacement could also lead to more individuals struggling to find steady employment, exacerbating existing inequalities. Furthermore, the concept of the American dream faces precarious threats as upward mobility becomes more challenging. Many may find that what once seemed achievable, a secure job, a stable home, and financial freedom, now feels increasingly out of reach. As we absorb these forecasts and statistics, the potential fallout is staggering. The threats of increased food insecurity and rising homelessness are real and pressing. So what actions can be taken? It's essential to push for policies that address these challenges head-on and foster community resilience. Increased investment in job training, support for the manufacturing sector, and affordable housing initiatives could help mitigate the impending crisis. Now we want to hear from you. Do you believe that the U.S. is truly heading toward an economic depression in 2025? What measures do you think should be implemented to avert this crisis? Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you or sparked some questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay informed.